Today we're diving into the top 5 best CNC laser engravers carefully selected to help you make informed decisions. These machines bring precision, versatility, and cutting-edge technology to your creative and professional projects. Whether you're engraving intricate designs or cutting materials with ease, these tools have got you covered. As always, all the product links are available in the description below for you to check out. Just a quick reminder, this list is based on our personal insights, taking into account factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability. Let's get started. Number 5 is the FEUNGSAKE 1010 CNC Laser Engraver, a reliable option designed with practicality and user convenience in mind. This machine offers a straightforward experience with a focus on efficiency. It comes with a 6-month warranty excluding personal mishandling or consumable parts, so you can trust its durability. Compact and user-friendly, the FEUNGSAKE 110 is an ideal choice for those starting in the world of laser engraving, providing reliable performance without breaking the bank. Number 4, we have the AlgoLaser DIY Kit CNC Laser Engraver, a highly versatile and innovative machine that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It features an offline controller and a built-in 32GB SD card for seamless operation without constant connectivity, with an engraving area of 400x400mm and a powerful 55.5-watt laser. It delivers precision and speed for detailed projects, plus its Wi-Fi connectivity and intuitive interface ensure smooth operation whether you're working from your desktop or mobile device. Number 3, the LaserTree LTK1K CNC Laser Engraver, a machine that takes your creativity to the next level. Equipped with a 10W optical power laser head, it excels in both engraving and cutting, effortlessly handling materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and even stainless steel. Its engraving precision of 0.01mm ensures exceptional detail, while the air pump system reduces smoke and enhances cutting quality, with an engraving area of 300x300mm and support for light burn and laser GRBL software. The LaserTree LTK1K combines functionality with ease of use, making it a favorite for creative minds. Number 2, the SCULPFUN S9 CNC Laser Engraver showcases cutting-edge technology and a robust design for enhanced performance. Its advanced 5-watt laser beam shaping technology delivers a sharp focus of just 0.06mm, allowing it to cut through up to 15mm thick wood and engrave materials like stainless steel and ceramics with unmatched precision. The machine's durable full metal structure ensures stability and easy assembly in just 10 to 20 minutes, with safety features like a protective laser cover and steel pad. This engraver prioritizes both performance and user safety. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the 2 Trees TTS CNC Laser Engraver, a professional-grade machine that offers unmatched versatility and precision. This engraver is equipped with the latest 5.5-watt laser beam shaping technology, delivering exceptional cutting and engraving accuracy with a sharp focus of 8mm. It features a fast-focused design with an adjustable knob and a durable aluminum profile structure for stable operation. The machine's wide compatibility with software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, along with its support for offline use via mobile apps or TF cards, ensures a seamless user experience. With an engraving range of 300x300mm and the ability to handle materials like wood, leather, and acrylic, the 2 Trees TTS is the ultimate tool for both beginners and experts looking for high-quality results. Thanks for sticking around and exploring these incredible CNC laser engravers with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on products that make your life easier.